Okay, so this is how you make an origami bird. First of all, you're going to need one of the folded pieces of paper that I've put in your box already. Now I've scored this one down the middle so you can see where the crease lines are. Now what you need to do is make sure that the open end is facing towards you and the closed end is facing away from you. And what you need to do is fold the corners in to the centre of the fold line to make a kite shape. Do the same for the other side. And then turn over and then do the same. And there's your kite. The next thing you need to do is you need to fold this corner into the centre, and then again do the same for the other side. Now you need to pay particular attention to this bit because this one's quite tricky. So what you're going to do is open the first flaps open, so the ones facing the top, and you're going to push your finger to open the flap, and it should make a crease there where you folded the top triangle over. Now you need to push it open like that, and it should fold into place to give you a diamond. Now you need to repeat that step on the other side. So we'll do this together again. So open the flaps, fold the corner out like that, and it should make a crease in the middle. Then make sure you push it down and fold like that. Okay, so these are going to end up being your wings. Now to create the legs and the head, what we're going to do is we're going to take this corner here and we're going to fold that into the middle to create an even smaller diamond, okay, and do the same for the other side. So you should have something that looks like that. Now turn over and repeat. Okay, so now you've got the wings at the top, and then you've got these legs that do that. Okay, so what we're going to do to create the neck is we're going to fold one of these legs out to the side like that, and then do the same for the other side, and then fold them back over to the other side. This will make it easier to fold. Then what we're going to do is you're going to pop your finger in between that fold there and push your thumb to where the creases are to create a neck. And then do the same for the other side. Okay, and there's our tail. Now to create the head, what we're going to do is push your thumb in between the fold creases and then fold the wings back out. And there you have your origami brain. Yay!